Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to add a background music or a track on your existing video or uploaded video in your YouTube. So first, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell icon for notifications in case I post another video. First, you go to your YouTube studio. You will click on your YouTube icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Then on Studio, you go to Videos. So we'll add an audio track to my existing video, which I just uploaded right now. So I will tap on the video. I will tap here on the video. Then I'll come to Editor. In the editor, I'll go to Audio. I tap on the Audio plus icon. So here I'll say we'll search from YouTube, actually YouTube audio library. So let's wait for it to load. So here are the many tracks which I have now copyright because it's from YouTube. So you can play this one. This is not actually good for me. So let me play again the next one. Okay, I'm going to search for an audio I think I like. For me, so the good thing about this audio, like you're gonna play to preview which music do you like to add on your video based on your context. So I'll keep on searching and playing to find the best music for me. I think this is the best one for me. I like it, but my video is 3 minutes and this is 2 minutes. It cannot do that because it will leave some part of the video like without no music. So let's try this for 4 minutes. Let me try this one again. You see my video is 3 and 16 seconds. So this will fit my video, by the way. So I will click add. When you add, you leave so as you can see, the track is added to my video. And actually the editor will only auto edit until the final video it will cut the audio to fit the final video. So that's it guys, and welcome back again for another video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave behind the comment below.